Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokèra boilers. In this short video, I'll introduce you to the domestic hot water lock feature on our VibeMax boilers. Incidentally, this feature is also available on the Easy Heat I and Synergy ranges. The domestic hot water lock function enables the user to set a maximum domestic hot water delivery temperature, thereby preventing an unnecessarily hot temperature being available at the point of delivery. To set a lower than the maximum 60 degrees, which the boiler can supply domestic hot water to the tap at, adjust the setting to that temperature you require, and while the temperature is flashing in the display, press and hold both the plus and minus button on the hot water side until the temperature is locked. There can be no more adjustment of the hot water temperature. To disable hot water temperature lock, bring the temperature to the front, press again to bring lock to the display, and now press both the plus and minus again to disable domestic hot water lock. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.